Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I got here. I got this 3+. It is a nail puller. So this is what it came with. I took it out of the box, so I was trying to figure out how it's gonna work. But this is it here. It's gonna be hook up onto the air gun like that. And then I guess we put this over the nail. So what I've done is I've hammered some nails all the way through this board. And I guess we're gonna put the nail in it there and then somehow pull the trigger and it's gonna do something. So we're gonna give this thing a try together. It came with a little wrench, 2 different wrenches, and some oil to use. It came with some safety glasses, but we don't need those. And let's give this thing a try here. I'm gonna put this in here. We'll just close our eyes. We don't have to use our safety glasses. I was told I have to use the safety glasses, so here we are. Okay, so here was our air compressor. Okay. Let's see what I'm just gonna try it. That's what it does. Okay, can you all see what's happening here? Let's aim you down and let's give this thing a try and see what happens when I do it. I'm alrighty. Holy mackerel.
Where'd it go?
I don't know what happened.
Where does it go?
Did it just chop it off? Oh, it pushed it on down. It pushed it through to the bottom.
Oh, the reason it couldn't is it hit.
It's a nail pusher, not a nail puller. Hold on a sec. Let's check this thing out.
Because it hit that middle, sorry.
Oh, yeah. So
See?
it went through and it pushed it right through there.
It would have pushed it
So
through.
I guess it's going to be like a nail puller, but it's going to push it through to the other side. So let's try it again somewhere that's
that
not
one'll-
on top of the metal. So we're going to try this again over here. So let's try this one here. And it's probably going to come falling on the ground. Make sure there's nobody underneath us. Oh, I get it. So okay. Concept is, so if you've got a nail that's like this, it's flush on here, how are you going to get that out? There's no way to get it out. So what do? We put it in here. We got this on here. And we push it. And now we can easily pull the nail out from that end because it pushed it all the way through. Check it out. And then we got another one here. Let's just do that one for fun. See what happens when we do that one. So it doesn't push it all the way through. It just pushes it out enough so you can pull it out. But holy mackerel, it must push it hard because it made a spark. And you can see it left a little divot in the bottom here, but it pulled all our nails out. So I guess that's how it works. Kind of a cool thing. I guess if you're trying to get a whole lot of nails out of something that are in there, this would be a great little device here. If you're kind of cleaning up like a palette or something, man, this would be great. So thumbs up.